Okay, hey guys. Today I'm gonna unbox the matchbox skybusters. I'm making one 737-800. Here it is. This plane is it's metallic silver. It's got so much digits in it. American still has the 737s in the fleet. So it is. Wow, look at it. Just like a wing measure here on the west side and the right side. It says Boeing 737-800. Well, I got this from eBay because it was brand new. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.